Hi everyone, my name is Jabina Kadolo and I'm from Parvati Bai Chogle College. I, along with my companion,
Hello, my name is Marie Nayusha Adriana Dacuinha.
Rizal Fernandez.
My name is Vishaka.
My name is Ruchika Pereira.
My name is Sharlan Val.
are going to talk about a current ethical issue, which is adoption. Why adoption is a taboo, its importance and benefits. So, every one of y'all may be knowing the meaning of adoption. But for the ones who don't know the meaning of adoption, let me tell you. Adoption is a process whereby a person assumes the parenting of another, usually a child, from that person's biological or legal parents. Adoption was first started in the year 1851 in US, when Massachusetts implemented a statute that recognized adoption as a social and legal operation based on the child's welfare. There is a saying, adoption is when a child grows inside a mother's heart instead of her womb. Every family can adopt a child. There is no harm in adopting, as all children, may it be big or small, are all gifts of God.
Though adoption is a fulfilling experience, many people hesitate when it comes to treating it as an option to have children. It is still greatly looked down upon by certain factions of our society. With the advancement of science and technology in the medical field, couples who struggle to have children usually consider adoption as a last resort. The fact that a woman cannot conceive still has social stigmas associated with it. Infertility and impotence are treated as a matter of shame. Most parts of our country have very conservative ideologies which are prevalent in the uneducated as well as educated classes. In a March 2018 report by the United Nations Children's Fund, India was estimated to have around 29.6 million children who are abandoned and orphaned. In the same period, the Central Adoption Resource Authority, Government of India, stated that around 4,000 children were adopted. In 2020, sadly, that figure hasn't seen a significant growth. The continuation of bloodline is prioritized so much that adoption is seen as undesirable. Many people think that you would have a better connection with your biological children as compared to an adopted child. And these are some very sad thoughts and mentalities which deprive a child of having the love and affection of a parent. And it also kind of hinders a parent from experiencing the joy of parenthood. But we can still change it.
Gain from making this decision. Every parent is unique, and the benefits will vary from family to family. From the feelings of fulfillment experienced, knowing that you are providing a home to a child in need, to the joy of becoming a parent, the reward that comes with adopting a child will remain innumerable. Some of the biggest benefits of adopting a child is that when you adopt a child, you will help the fulfillment of lifelong dreams. You will help fulfilling your lifelong dreams of raising a child. As for many single parents or couples, there are no greater dreams or desires in their adult life than to raise a child.
Now, adopting is not just giving a child a new home with a family, but it's gifting them a future with love and happiness, along with better education and care. Now, when we give love to someone, we do not see where they are from or judge their personal features or see which religion they are from. We just love them with all our heart, right? So we should do the same when it comes to a child who we've adopted. Because these little kids all around the world have lost their families and they're feeling so sad, unwanted and alone. And adopting can offer them a new life, a second chance. And in doing so, you are expanding your horizons and experiences.
You as a couple build a new meaningful relationship with your adopted child, and you treat them as your own child.
Life is all about growth and learning, and by nurturing this little one, you tend to learn a lot of new things about yourself, along with giving them new hopes and dreams that you let them have by raising them. Adopting has a lot of physical benefits as well. When you have a child in the house, you tend to live a healthier life by fixing a specific sleep schedule and choosing healthier food rather than eating out and having fast food, which is not good for your kid. You also spread positive vibes, which improves your quality of living as well. And with the increase of population, do you really want to bring a new baby into this world at the cost of another child's life? You could adopt and feel the same joy.
Memories become available to you. As a parent, you will experience the joy and blessings of adding a child to your family. Your days will be little brighter and your future a little more promising when you add a new member to your family or a new bundle of joy to your life. While you welcome a newest member in your family with open arms, he or she may be receiving a second chance to fulfill their dreams or goals. And you will help them as a parent, as an adoptive parent, as providing them the benefits which they didn't experience in their first chance.
Adoption should not be just an option, it should be the only solution. UNICEF records over 15 million orphans worldwide waiting to be adopted. First of all, according to me, a child gets her or his own family who cares and protects them. Secondly, couples who are infertile can adopt and complete their family. A child can turn their house into a happy home. Thirdly, with increasing population, resources are decreasing. So, adoption is the best way. Sometimes a family isn't born, it is to be found. A family is not defined by blood or DNA. It is defined by the amount of love. And the heart you didn't break is a part of loving a child you didn't make. So let adoption be your first choice. Keep spreading love.
It's a hard fact to face, but when it comes to ethics in domestic adoption, we've got a long way to go to raise those ethical standards of adoption and to inspire others to do the same. Not only does adopting a child give a chance of stability, but you also give them a fulfilling future, and it can also provide them a family that would love and support him or her. It can also provide the fulfillment for the women and men who choose to adopt, giving them joy and a chance at parenthood for people that cannot have their children. But on the other side are concerns such as the gene factor in a child. You may be worried that you're not having that child biologically, but think of the bigger picture. You're saving a child's life. Adoption is a long process and takes months, even years, but in the end, adoption is well worth it. Adoption can make a difference in a child's life, cut numbers in half with the overcrowded foster care system. It can also give people a chance at parenthood and fulfillment. If a child is not adopted, the child grows up without the support of a family and without a mother or father figure, and missing out on what family is really all about. A child is at risk of becoming an adult, living and working on the street.
Adopting one child won't change the world, but for that one child, the world will change.
Little souls find their way to you, whether they are from your womb or someone else's.